You know what's annoying? When people hold in their sneezes. Why are you holding in your sneeze? You have to sneeze for a reason. You know why you sneeze? You sneeze to get the shit out of your nose. There's shit in your nose and you gotta get it out. That's your body trying to help you. Trying to get shit out of your nose. Cause there's shit in your nose and by sneezing, you get the shit out. But no, these motherfucking people, these stupid girls, they go, it's so annoying. Stop doing it. It's irritating to see. It's irritating to hear. It's irritating to be near at all. Stop doing it. Sneeze. Okay, fucking my thanks. Sneeze. Fucking get it out. Your body's trying to fucking help you by sneezing. Get it out. Why are you stopping sneezing? Why? It doesn't make any sense. What, do you want motherfucking nastiness in your nose? You want all bacteria and shit in your nose? Sneeze! Just let it out! And you think that these girls think that they're cute. They think that they're all ladylike. Oh, I don't sneeze. You know, that's disgusting. I don't do that. I don't sneeze. Well, guess what, bitch? Everyone sneezes. It's natural. You're supposed to sneeze. Just sneeze. I'm not saying a motherfucking dinosaur sneeze like, gee, all over the place. But sneeze like a normal person. Don't keep it in. If you hold it in, you're gonna blow a fucking blood vessel or some shit. Let your sneeze out. God.